Meet the cassowary, the dinosaur bird that didn't get the memo about extinction. This thing isn't just dangerous. It's the most dangerous bird on the planet. Those dagger-like claws? They've literally kicked through metal fences. And yes, they're grumpier than a Monday morning. Startle one. And you'll see why Australian parks post cassowary crossing signs with skull icons. But here's the twist, Mr. Murder Bird is actually super dad. While most dads babysit for a few hours, male cassowaries incubate eggs for 50 days straight. Then they raise the striped chicks solo for up to 2 years. Imagine teaching a toddler that could one day grow 6-foot-tall legs that kick like a WWE wrestler. These walking contradictions can sprint 30 miles per hour through rainforests, jump 5 feet straight up, and swim rivers like feathered crocodiles. Evolution basically made them the Swiss Army knife of birds, if Swiss Army knives came with anger issues and a bad haircut. Next time you're in Australia's rainforests, walk very, very carefully.